the Mobvoi Treadmill Incline. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Mobvoi Home Treadmill Incline. Here's a look at how the treadmill arrives. It's packaged well with all the plastic and foam surrounding it. Inside, it comes with a user guide, magnetic key, tools, parts, and lubrication. The treadmill features a 2.2 horsepower motor, 8.7 miles per hour top speed, 0 to 15% incline range. It has a foldable space-saving design, smartwatch compatibility, shock-absorbing structure and belt. It weighs in at 99 pounds and has a max load of 220 pounds. And you can also connect it to your smartwatch if you have one of the Mobvoi watches, and this will allow you to see your workout metrics. Now here's a treadmill fully assembled. It probably takes less than 30 minutes to assemble. And basically what you need to do is fasten the bolts here on each side. And then you have to adjust the display to your desired angle. And you also have to insert the handlebars on each side and tighten them with the accompanying bolts. And then there's two plastic caps in the rear that you have to attach. And then attach the wheels on the bottom. Now, one thing I like about the treadmill is that, the form factor, it's pretty slim and small and space saving. The previous treadmill I had was a Treadly, and the reason I wanted this is because of the incline feature. You can also fold this to an extent, so basically you'd lift from the back like this. And then you have that hydraulic mechanism there that will lock into place. And you have the wheels on the bottom, so you can wheel it around and push it into a corner to save some space. But pretty much this is how it looks when it's folded. Now, taking some quick measurements from the front all the way to the back, you're looking at about 50 inches. Height-wise, if we take it to the top of the handlebars, you're looking at about just under 45 inches. Looking at the back, it's just a little over 22 inches. And looking at the front, it's about 25 and a half. You have to compensate for, the framing and the mechanisms that allow it to have that incline feature. Now, looking at the display, it's fairly large. You can cycle through the different modes by pressing target. You can use a timer, and it will count down and adjust the length. You can do the distance as a target, calories, and then it has the different program modes. You can cycle through the different program modes. Once you have your particular program set up, just hit the start button, and then it will count down, and you can proceed with your workout. You can increase the speed by pressing the plus sign and then decrease it by pressing the minus sign. If you want to increase the incline, just cycle through by pressing the target button, and then you can see on the right side incline. Then you can just press the plus button, and then you can hear it moving up here. Again, this goes up to 15% incline. Now I'll cycle through the incline settings so you can see it move up. Right now it's at 0, and let's move it up to 15. Again, the motor is very quiet, you can barely hear it. All right, that's at 15%, and now let's take it down back to 0. You know, the treadmill feels solid in my opinion. Definitely a space saver compared to, you know, your bigger, more expensive treadmills once you reach that $1,000 range. You know, I like the handles on the side here. You also have the emergency stop. You can clip this on to your shirt or your pants, and then when it comes off, the magnet comes off, it will shut off. This has a top speed of 8.7 miles per hour. So, you know, whether you just want to do a slow, steady walk or you want to get that jog and run in, you can definitely bring it up there. And as mentioned earlier, I really like the incline feature from 0 to 15%, so you can change up your workout a bit. So if you're looking for a treadmill with an incline that's space saving, I think this definitely will fit that profile. Now the motor is quiet when you're in the lower speeds, but when you start bringing it up into the higher speeds, especially at the max speed, you will hear it. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. I'll bring it up to 8.7 miles per hour. Okay, we're at 4 miles per hour right now. And this is 8.7 miles per hour. So you can definitely hear the motor. And shutting it down. Overall, I feel this is a solid treadmill and you get a lot for its budget-friendly price point. It has a fairly small footprint and you can fold it to save some space. You have the versatility in your workouts from inclines, running, jogging, or just walking. So that is my review of the Mobvoi Home Treadmill Incline. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.